Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting what can easily be described as the best LEGO set ever created. The LEGO Ideas Motorized Lighthouse 21335. This set is not just a building kit, it's a masterpiece that combines creativity, engineering, and storytelling into a delightful experience for adults and LEGO enthusiasts alike. At first glance, the Motorized Lighthouse is an impressive sight. Standing at over 21.5 inches tall, this set features a stunning lighthouse tower complete with a motorized rotating light that brings a whole new dimension to your build. Imagine the ambiance it creates in your space as it casts its glow, mimicking a real lighthouse guiding sailors home. The custom-designed Fresnel lens is one of the standout features of this set. Not only does it serve a practical purpose, but it also adds a touch of realism and sophistication, making the lighthouse feel alive. When the lights dim in your room, you'll be mesmerized by how this feature enhances the entire scene. Now, let's talk about accessibility and detail. Both the lighthouse and the charming keeper's cottage are designed for easy access, allowing you to explore the wonderfully detailed interiors. Open the back of the tower to discover a cozy, glowing fireplace inside the cottage, complete with realistic furnishings that evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. This is a set that tells a story, one of adventure, mystery, and comfort. But the adventure doesn't stop there. The beautifully designed pier and the mysterious cave below offer even more to discover. Picture this: a treasure chest hidden away in the cave, just waiting for someone to uncover its secrets. The inclusion of a lighthouse keeper and sailor minifigures, along with a rowboat, a cat, and a seagull, adds life to this picturesque scene, allowing you to create your own stories as you play. Building the Motorized Lighthouse is a rewarding, immersive experience. With a total of 2,065 pieces, this set provides ample opportunity for creativity and concentration. Each step is laid out clearly in the included instructions, making it easy to follow along and enjoy the process. Whether you're a seasoned builder or new to the world of LEGO, this set invites you to relax and lose yourself in the joy of construction. As a centerpiece, the Motorized Lighthouse is sure to impress anyone who visits your home. Its striking design and intricate details make it a conversation starter, perfect for display on a shelf or as part of a larger collection. Plus, it's an excellent gift idea for Father's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion for the LEGO lover in your life. In summary, the LEGO Ideas Motorized Lighthouse 21335 isn't just a building set, it's a blend of artistry, engineering, and storytelling. For those looking to escape into a world of creativity, this set is undoubtedly the best choice out there. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the coolest products around. Until next time, happy building!